you how to make a super cute and yummy birthday cake. So stay tuned and let's get baking. For this yummy cake, you will need 3 large eggs, 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of white sugar, 2/3 of a cup of oil, some water, vanilla frosting, some Skittles. I've got 3 bags. You can use KitKats, but I will be using chocolate fingers, and a cake topper. Let's get started. Step 1. Mix together the sugar, eggs and vanilla extract in a bowl until fully combined. Step 2. Now add in the flour and mix a bit. Then add the oil and mix it together. Did you know that eating cake is a tradition in many countries to celebrate kids' birthdays? Step 3. Add the water a little at a time until the batter is creamy. Step 4. Now transfer the cake batter into 2 greased cake tins. And bake this for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Then allow to cool. Step 5. Once the cake has cooled, frost and layer the 2 cakes. Step 6. Now decorate the cake using the chocolate fingers or KitKats and Skittles. Now insert the cake topper, cut a slice and enjoy. This looks so yummy! What's your favorite type of cake? Let us know in the comments below. Doesn't it look amazing?
Yes!
Well, we can't wait to enjoy our delicious cake! Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes with